Hi, this is Rene Sagaran. Welcome back to my channel. O, kamusta mga ka-18? Grabe, may bagong pasabog na naman ng SB19. Fast Zone. So, ibang atake na naman to, no? Ibang concept. So, tara, i-breakdown natin isa-isa yung mga teasers and captions nila. So, unang tingin pa lang, ang lakas ng visuals, metallic, candles everywhere, tapos may mysterious, almost futuristic vibe. Tapos silver tones, reflections, and that avant-garde style. Parang rebellious fashion meets high art. Yung avant-garde styling, kumbaga kakaiba, bago, hindi pang karaniwang estilo. Rules break on impact. Dito parang sinasabi ng SB19 na they're ready to break boundaries. Sa unang photo ni Pablo, naka-white suit siya tapos parang tinatapon yung liquid mula sa cup. Symbolism nito, breaking norms and rejecting tradition. Kahit nasa clean, structured image siya, pinapakita niya na ready siyang basagin ang sistema. Sa second photo naman, intense yung stare niya habang nakayuko sa table. Surrounded by candles, power stance ito. Candles symbolize fire and illumination. Dito, makikita natin si Pablo as the disruptor, the leader, yung mismong impact na binabanggit sa caption na rules break on impact. Pablo embodies power, rebellion, and leadership sa Fast Zone era. The rush is in the blood. Dito kitang-kita yung passion. Kita sa first photo, red hair, silver suit, tapos yung chandelier na parang weapon. Meaning kahit nasa structured world ka, pwede mong basagin ang sistema. Surrounded by burning candles, nakaupo siya with confidence. Para bang sinasabi, passion and drive come naturally to them. Kumbaga, hindi pinipilit. The fire is in their blood. Break through the silence and the waves. Dito naman, very reflective ang vibe. Nakatitig siya sa tangled wires. Symbolic siya ng struggles, noise, and challenges. Pero determined pa rin siya to break through. Very inspiring, di ba? Kay Ken naman, ang caption, no cage, no chains, only speed, fast zone, soon. Dito sobrang clear ang symbolism, freedom and power. No cage, no chains, equals wala nang humahadlang, wala nang restrictions. Ang natira na lang is pure speed, meaning unstoppable energy and momentum. Makikita rin sa visuals niya na parang wild yet controlled, showing Ken's duality, fierce pero calculated. Para bang sinasabi niya, once he's unleashed, walang makakapigil. Kay Justin ang caption, the surreal doesn't wait. Ang surreal ay parang something beyond reality. Dreamlike pero powerful. Ang meaning nito, Justin represents limitless imagination and vision. Hindi naghihintay ang surreal. Ibig sabihin, once it appears, it hits you instantly. Parang hindi mo mapipigilan. Sa visuals niya, makikita yung mysterious aura. Calm pero striking. Parang pinapakita ni Justin na sa Fast Zone, expect the unexpected. So ano ba talaga ang Fast Zone? Most likely, this is SB19's next era. Maybe a single or maybe an EP. Pero malinaw, it's about breaking rules, pushing boundaries, and unleashing unstoppable energy. Hindi lang to music, it's a movement. So mga ka-18, ready na ba kayo pumasok sa Fast Zone? Exciting, di ba? So ano sa tingin nyo talaga yung ibig sabihin nito? Kindly comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hope to see you on my next video. God bless you all. Peace.